Hi everybody and welcome back to the JW channel. Thanks for dropping by. Today we're just going to go back and revisit the lawnmower that I purchased back in 2016 and actually did my review in 2017. Boy, it's been a solid buy for us. I really love this little guy. I thought I'd go back to Bunnings and see what they've got on offer these days to save you some time. You can check my original review in the link below. So here are a few points. Reliability. Nothing is broken, but we've not big lawns, so we don't really have to push it around our place. But yeah, we're pretty lucky like that. It's very light, easy to pick up, especially now that I'm back in the gym and have been for quite a while now. One of the things that I really like about this particular machine is the battery has been going strong for 2 years and not showing any signs of wear and tear. It really is the quickest charging battery I've ever seen. The unit itself is easy to keep clean, and after using it for over 2 years I would never go back. I tried to call a few of the local lawnmower shops just to see how much it would cost to get a service these days. Unfortunately it's Sunday here when I'm producing this little vid, and it seems like all the local mower guys are all shut on Sunday because, well, it's winter and there's not a lot of grass being mown. But if you take into account the costs of servicing and the petrol, over the last 3 years, I suppose, or the better part of 3 years, it's all been paying off the machine. And if you can get a service for $100 these days, I would be very surprised. Okay everybody, so here's the summary. It's easy to use, it's easy to charge, it's light to carry, the battery charges quickly, it actually costs less now than in 2016. If it's lasted 3 years, I'm expecting it to last for a lot longer. I personally give it a 5 out of 5. Thank you very much for dropping by the channel today. I look forward to bringing you my next video and having a great week. This is JW for the JW channel. Be safe.